I think yun ba as an yun newly licensed pharmacist po, we are
Mm.
termed as medication experts nga po in the healthcare team. Well, I want to yun advocate for also for correct medication use kasi aside from well, I will say it's ironic kasi we're talking about access to medicine pero may nakikita din po tayo na mga stories in social media that the public are, nagkakaroon po sila ng access to also in disinformation and misinformation about medicine and which
Hmm.
would lead to also, added burdens, financial burdens, some of them would lead to complications and even death. So, yun po talaga yung advocacy ko to advocate for correct medication use as a pharmacist. Kasi, as pharmacists, we are the safeguard nga po. Parang we safeguard the
Mhm.
public from,
Mhm.
kasi ang medicines po could either be life-saving or could be threatening. Depende na lang po sa gamit.